Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ade and you're watching SheslayedT.V. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so that you're notified each time I drop a new video. So this wig was sent to me from Janet Collection, and the name of this style is Lynette, and I have her in the color 1. She is a frontal unit. The parting space is so wide and I love the length, and everybody already know when I have curly wigs like that, I love to get in a number 1 first before trying other colors. And here's a picture of the stock card, just in case you didn't see it with all that glare. Okay, so pretty much this is how it looks right out the pack. That hairline looks really great, so I really can't wait to try. I love the waves in this wig, and I really can't wait to see how everything comes out. I'm really feeling it so far. The color, the hairline, the little bit of baby hairs. They didn't put a chunk, just a tiny bit. That is perfect. That is all me. Look at how much parting space you get. It is huge. It is way bigger than I was expecting. I really wasn't expecting to get that much parting space for real. So real quick, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to pretty much style it on my little mannequin head. And look at the hairline, y'all. It comes perfect. You might want to do a little tweezing, but I really don't even think that is needed. Throughout the wig, look at how big that parting space is. That lace is really, really amazing. I was really not expecting the parting space to be that big, but it is. And imagine that with a nude stocking cap or, you know, a lace tint. That's going to look like your scalp for real. So I just wanted to show you guys how the back looks so you guys can see that it's not thin at all. The yellow that you see is actually just more lace. But throughout the rest of the back, it is full. And everything is nice, long, and full of body. I just wanted to show you guys how it looks in the back because showing the back is really, really important. Okay, so pretty much what I'm doing here is I have to make a defined part. So I'm going through with a comb right now just to make, you know, any type of part that I want. You can do straight in the middle, left side, right side. I'm just doing a deep curve side part right now. I feel like it's really, really perfect. Like right now, all I'm doing is tweezing just a little bit, not a lot, just a little bit of hair out the parting space so that it can be more defined. I actually ended up going through and just using my hand and plucking, because when I say I did not need to tweeze a lot, I didn't want to over tweeze. So I just wanted to pluck just a little bit out. So I ended up using my hands at the end of the day. Okay, so right now I'm going through with my foundation powder, and pretty much what it does is it helps the knots on the wigs pretty much disappear. And you know, it's synthetic, so you can't really bleach the knots. I don't know why would you do that with a synthetic wig, but yeah, if you don't have lace tint, makeup is always another great way to get these knots, you know, gone. Okay, so if you're going to do any plucking and tweezing, you probably want to go ahead and run your hands through the wig so that you can take out any excess shedding hair. I really didn't get a lot. Like I was expecting to get a lot more because I did pluck, but I really didn't get a lot. But I feel like this is very necessary. If you don't want no tangling or hair shedding on you during the day, just go ahead and do that right after, you know, you pluck your wig. Okay, so pretty much what I'm doing right here is I'm using my hot comb, and I am laying the bumps, you know, that's in the wig flat. I'm not trying to straighten the whole wig, just around the parting area. As you can see, I don't want no humps, no bumps, no nothing. I want it to look like a human hair frontal. So in order to do that, I have to make it look as natural as possible, and using a hot comb, electric hot comb is the way to go. I will recommend everyone who has synthetic frontals to use this method. And you can, you know, style in any direction, lay it flat in any direction, especially with a wig that has this amount of parting space. Okay, and I'm only going to use my Got2b glue just to lay down the baby hairs. Okay, you guys, so this is pretty much how it looks on me. Like I said, all I did was I used my Got2b glued. And then I used my NYX foundation powder. And I put in the part, and I put a little bit in the front. Just a little bit, not a lot, because some of y'all be looking bald in the front. Just a little bit. And just to get it that, you know, get it that very natural look. I did not lay my ends down next to my ears because I wanted to take this wig off the same day. Usually I use my freeze spray for that, which I highly recommend you do that. But if you're looking for something real quick, literally all I did was I used my Got2b glue. And this is the result that I got, which I love very much how it came out. On me, this wig is pretty long. It's like 26 inches. And I am 5'3". And yes, I'm pregnant, so I'm looking pretty big there. But yes, it touched all the way down to my lower back. I love how full this wig is, but at the same time, it's not overly like stuffed, so I'm not going to be hot in the summertime. It's like just perfect. I really didn't expect this from this wig. I'm not gonna lie. I was just like, another wig, whatever. But no, this wig actually caught me by surprise, and I actually love it a lot. When it comes down to curly frontals, this will be my go-to. This is my one that's highly recommended because this is just great for beginners. Now, don't forget to check out Janet Collection for more gorgeous wigs, and subscribe, like, and share, y'all. Bye.